Dad, I might sound crazy, but may I have Burger King perhaps?
No.
Yeah, I'm kinda sad. My dad, he didn't let me have Burger King. I think I'll run from home 'cause I'm sad.
Son, why is the window open?
If I can't have yummy food, then I'll just have to make my own. Finally! My own restaurant after years. Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to make my own burgers. How am I going to figure out how to make my own well-done burgers? Oh, I think I got something. We can look online. This is the most perfect website to find burger recipes. Next. Welcome to Lil Chick's Hungry Chicks. How may I help you?
Yeah, I'd like one Lil Chick family combo and 4 fruit punches.
Flashback time. This is the most perfect website to find burger recipes.
Burger recipes.
Breaking news! Big Chicken Man is traitor and now is on the loose infecting others.
I'm Damian.
I have to stop this mayhem.